In today's video, I'm going to show you how I was able to build a SaaS app that is similar to an app that is already making millions of dollars with millions of monthly visitors. The crazy part is, I cloned it using only a single AI tool called Replit. And this became possible with its brand new AI agent, which was released just a few days ago. And trust me, it's unbelievably powerful. Now, a lot of people believe that building software or creating your own apps takes years of experience, endless studying, and countless hours of learning how to code. But in this tutorial, I'm going to prove that wrong. I'll show you exactly how this AI tool can work step by step to build almost any kind of app you want without you writing code yourself. And with this AI tool I am about to show you, you can build full stack apps, that means app with authentication, a database system, and other essential features, like integrating powerful AI tools like ChatGPT with just a few clicks. The best part? You don't have to worry about handling any of the complicated coding, even if you're not a programmer. So, with all that being said, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is click the link in the description, and it will bring you straight to this page. Here, you'll need to sign up. Or, before that, you can also click on this Agent 3 page to check out its landing page and see what it actually does. And as you can see, it is very autonomous. Everything runs on its own. In fact, this is the only AI agent on the internet right now that can run up to 200 minutes straight, working completely independently while building your project. That's why it's so powerful. So go ahead, sign up, and once you've done that, you'll be taken into the app itself. On this page, you'll see a chat box. This is where you can simply describe the app you want to build. So here's what I'm going to build, and I describe it to AI in this way. Build a full-stack link shortener app where users can sign up, log in, shorten URLs with custom aliases, and manage their links. Each link should track clicks and creation dates, with a dashboard to view, edit, or delete links. Use a clean and responsive UI. After typing this, I can just click on Start Chat, and the AI immediately begins building the app. Now, I can also select Auto Theme if I want to add a specific theme to my app, and then choose Web App since what I want to build is a web app. Another cool feature is the Improve Prompt button. With one click, the AI can refine my instructions to make them even clearer. Of course, you could use something like ChatGPT to improve your prompts, but honestly, this built-in option is much faster and easier. Once I click Start Chat, you can actually see the AI beginning to work on our project. And here's what's amazing, it's not just spitting out random code, it's planning. It's organizing everything step by step. It even searches Google when it needs to find something, because it's an AI agent. On top of that, it tests everything it writes to make sure the code works properly. And the best part? It includes almost everything you might need to actually publish your app into production. That means it comes with built-in authentication, a database system, and other essential features so you don't have to worry about those complicated things, especially if you're not a programmer. Once the planning stage is done, after just a few minutes, you'll see options. You can either click Build Entire App or Start with Design. If you want your app to be ready quickly, just go ahead and choose Build Entire App. If you'd rather begin with the design first, you can select that option. This will give you a working design preview, though not all features will be functional right away. But in my case, I decided to go all in. I chose Build the Entire App. Then I clicked Start Building. Now, the AI told me it could take around 20 minutes or more to complete because it's an agent that works autonomously planning, coding, and testing everything by itself. But I didn't need to stress. The agent knows exactly what I asked for, and it will carefully build out every feature. While it's building, you don't have to sit there bored. You can actually monitor all of the progress on Replit mobile app. That's right, Replit even has a mobile app you can download from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have it, you can track every single step of your project, right from your phone. So I'm going to give it some time and let it finish building my app. Finally, after about an hour of waiting, I was worried about what happened to my agent, but it finished. It took 58 minutes. That's right, AI worked on my app for nearly an hour straight, planning, coding, testing, and building everything for me. Honestly, that's amazing. After that, I even got a notification letting me know that my app is ready to go. And sure enough, when I checked, the app was complete and fully ready to use. What blows me away is how it worked on its own. The AI has its own virtual computer environment, which means it can click links, test the app, check features, literally handle everything by itself. Now, the next step is publishing. To do that, I just click on Publish, and immediately it gives me a URL for my app. Once it's published, I can copy that URL, open a new tab, and test it out live. And as you can see right here, my app loads perfectly in the new tab. Everything is working exactly as expected. When I click on Get Started or Sign In, you can see that the authentication system kicks in right away. Yes, that's right. It already comes with authentication fully integrated. That's because Replit has its own authentication system built in, and since I mentioned that in my request, the AI automatically included it for me. So now, when I click Allow, I'm instantly redirected straight into my app just like that. The AI didn't just build an app, it built a complete landing page along with it. And what's even better is that the app is fully functional right out of the box. Now I can clearly see that my link shortener app is live and working. People can actually use it to paste their long URLs, enter a custom alias if they want, and then generate a clean, shortened link. The design itself is neat and minimal. The page looks professional, no unnecessary clutter or distracting elements, just exactly what's needed for the user. So, let me test it out. I grab a long link, copy it, and paste it into the app. Since the link is really long, I don't want to share this long link directly with someone because it looks messy and no one can actually want to click on it. That's where my app comes in. This alias is basically a word you can attach to the end of your shortened link. It's optional but useful if you want a personalized or memorable link. So I typed in a custom alias, clicked shorten URL, and the system gave me an error. It said the alias shouldn't contain spaces. No problem. I can just go ahead and remove the space and click shorten again. And this time, it worked perfectly. The app actually generated a shortened link for me right away. Now, one thing you'll notice is that the link is still a little bit long. That's because it's currently running on a Replit subdomain. Once I attach my own custom domain, the shortened links will look much cleaner and shorter. Still, even on the Replit subdomain, the functionality is excellent. The app not only shortens links, but also gives me useful features like analytics. I can see things like total links created, total clicks, and average click-through rate. Plus, there are extra features such as the ability to edit, delete, or search through them. This makes it a very powerful little tool for managing URLs. To test it further, I copied the shortened URL, pasted it into a new tab, and hit enter. And just like that, it redirected me straight to the original page I wanted to share without showing the long, messy link in the browser. My shortener app is running smoothly, and while it doesn't have hundreds of extra features, it perfectly delivers the core feature I wanted, shortening links and tracking clicks. This built-in analytics like total clicks is super helpful if you're tracking engagement, and that's what even makes this tool really powerful, that people can pay for. What sets Replit apart from other AI tools is how easy it island. With many other AI builders, you have to spend hours chatting back and forth, fixing errors, or sometimes the project breaks before you even finish. But with this tool, I literally gave it one single prompt, and it built a working SaaS app for me, no errors, no stress. And it doesn't stop there. You can also see analytics of your app, which is a feature built in Replit, or add your own custom domain. If you already own a domain, you can connect it directly, or you can even buy a new one through the platform. For apps like this, a short domain name is essential, and I'm planning to purchase one just for it. Honestly, I was blown away by how well this worked. Replit's AI agent calls this an MVP, a minimum viable product. But to me, it feels like a complete app already. It has everything I asked for, and I could literally deploy it today if I wanted. Of course, if I wanted to take it further, I could keep building on top of it, adding more features, integrating payments, or even setting up a pricing model. But as it stands right now, it's a ready-to-use SaaS app for now created entirely by AI in under an hour. So, if you want to see how this platform works for yourself, I've left a link in the description. You can try it out, test its features, and maybe even start building your own app. Trust me, you'll be amazed at what this AI agent can do. And once your project is complete, you can easily publish it to production. Everything you'll need is already in this platform. You don't have to worry about security. You don't have to worry about scaling, adding integrations like AI, payments, email, or anything, because you can find all that right in this platform. You invite collaborators to work with you, see how responsive your app is in other devices, and explore more other features like database or data from your app. What impressed me the most is that this AI agent doesn't forget anything. It double-checks every step, ensuring your app is complete and ready to go, all from a single prompt. So that's how Replit works. With this tool, you can build any kind of app you want, whether it's a small side project or a serious SaaS product. If you're ready to try it out for yourself, just click the link in the description or the pinned comment and get started with the Replit AI agent today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.